Wait until do it in sequence. Like watch for the tether to hit. Okay.
Okay.
You hit me, and then I'll make a noise.
Okay.
Okay.
Turn off the monitors.
All right.
You missed it. No.
Wait, there was that. Yeah.
That was good. Yes, very good. You had to do it when the tether hit.
Why weren't you making any noise throughout the whole scene?
Because I was just focusing on the tether.
We'll make noises at the whole scene.
Yeah, that way
It
when
already
you,
started. It was too late.
that way when you get hit by the wood, you're surprised, and so it's, you know.
Yeah.
Turn that off.
You can't be ready to be
Wasting my
hit.
battery. Okay. You want me to make noises the whole time?
Yes.
Fine.
All right, ready?
Yeah. Sure. That helped. See? It helped. But you should have.
Did that work at all?
Yeah, it actually did. It made me feel more in the moment. But you didn't get when the cow tether.
We can like move that reaction,
Mhm.
edit it
Yeah.
over.
That one?
Mm-hmm.
Is that what we're
Did I
moving?
hit you in the ribs?
Oh,
Yeah, you did.
Okay.
his mouth
sort of
doesn't really
thing,
move
yeah.
enough for a meow.
Huh?
His mouth just doesn't seem to move enough for like a meow
No, not really.
type noise.
Too bad. What a shame. That was okay though, right? Mostly.
Yeah, no, that was way
I mean,
more.
it's a part with the tether. I think that I missed that again. I mean, for a lot of this, I feel like it could be put back a little further. It doesn't have to be so prominent.
Well, yeah.
The part where he hits, I'll just re-record that part. That can be on a separate thing.
I feel like, yeah, no, it was definitely. It was definitely way closer. I think.
Do you want to, try again?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I mean, I feel like it just had like a few too many sighs. You know what I mean? Like.
Yeah. I'm
At the
trying
end
to
of things.
get into character for this guy. I don't really know what to, like, his mind. I'm not in his mind, I feel like.
All right, here, I'll show. That's a good point.
Look up Wikipedia's bio on him so I can read about his life story, and then it'll help me better understand his, because if I understand like what his childhood was like, I feel like I'll be able to grunt like him better.
Very funny.
Thanks.
He used to be a hot blonde.